Tara, thank you so much for being with us today here at EDC's conference. So first and foremost, please tell me a little bit about your company.
So my company is Smart Sweets, where we innovated the first candy that kicks sugar naturally. And really at its core, we're on a mission to kick sugar and empower people to feel good about enjoying the foods they love. So with Smart Sweets, our brand promise is to use no sugar, sugar alcohols, or artificial sweeteners. So for an entire bag of Smart Sweets, you have 2 grams sugar and 24 grams plant-based fiber. So you can have candy for breakfast if you'd like to. In my mind, it's pretty simple. Consumers just want to feel good about actually being able to enjoy the foods they love. So with Smart Sweets, I like to say we're a smarter choice that you can enjoy sustainably and you don't have to give candy up.
So you have a retail product. How have you chosen to present your product?
Yeah, so Smart Sweets is found in retailers across Canada and soon the US, and how we merchandise the product really is in 2 primary areas. One is the confectionery aisle, just to be there to have the brand presence, but really where we create the trial and awareness is in the impulse points of purchase on the perimeter of the store and by cash.
And what kind of growth have you had with this company?
Well, in our first year of business, we ended the year at 2,000 doors across Canada, and this year, in our second year, we'll be ending the year at 10,000 doors across Canada and the US, and going from 2 SKUs to 10 SKUs, so we're launching a new innovation each quarter.
And how has EDC helped you in your growth story?
Yeah, well, being a young entrepreneur in an early business that doesn't have a lot of track records financially, they were incredible to provide the support for our bank to be able to support us in a large way early on with debt financing. So without EDC, we wouldn't have been able to access debt financing through our bank. So it played a really instrumental role in allowing us to access capital without that being equity.
Excellent. Thank you so much for sharing your story, Tara. I very much appreciate it. Thank you.